So, okay. So magnitude of B again, bx squared plus by squared plus bz square. So we only have to write the constant because we know what is the answer of other. So minus 2 square plus minus 2 square, minus 2 into minus 2, everything become positive. So what we get, children? Square root of, tell me.
Root 12.
Root 12. Only achieve the answers. What about others? Huh? I'm not telling achieve the good you are doing, but others are just waiting for your answer, I think. Others also should tell. Okay. 12. So we got A, we got B. Now we substitute in the equations cos theta. So cos theta is equal to vector A dot B. Already we have written, I am just writing for my sake. Minus 6 into square root of 3 into square root of 12. So we can make it little more easy by taking the factors of square root of 12. Okay? Yeah, Gayatri,
2 root 3.
12. How can we take the factors? Root 3. 2 into 3 into 2. Correct? Correct?
2 root 3.
Why should have to a 2 root 3? This is root 3. There is one more root 3 is there. Can we change that also? Correct? So finally what you get? Square root of 2 into, so we are getting here root 3, here also root 3. Correct? 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So this 2, as usual. So here, this root 3 can combine with this root 3 because this is also product. So finally, you can get 6. That's it. So minus 6 by 6. And what we are getting is minus 1. This is cos theta. Still, angle did not find. Angle did not find. So, theta is equal to cos inverse minus 1. I think I have given you at a particular degree, the cos theta become minus 1. What is that? 60, 30, 40.
180.
Huh?
180.
Correct. So, theta is 180 degree. So, the angle between two vectors, this is how you find out. The angle between a dot product. Between a dot product of the vectors, we can find out this way. First, resolve the components into vector. That unit vector, everything you remove by finding A dot B. By A dot B, you will get AB cos theta. From there, you find out the theta. So to get that AB cos theta, only we have done the first part. Clear? Any doubt, children, regarding this? Okay. Shall we move on to the next problem? Okay. Shall we move on next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next question.
Ma'am, same model.
No, not same one, another model. Okay. Same model. I'll give you, I'll search some of the books and I will give you. Okay. So this model, because if you do more than one, we will not get time. Do you want to do one more thing? Now? If you want, you can do. Shall I do? You want to do one more problem like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, right. I thought I will give you one problem, then we will practice. So find the angle between vector A, I plus J plus K cap, and B is equal to minus I minus I plus minus j plus minus k. Or you can write minus I minus j minus k. Okay. Now minus 2k, not symbol k, minus 2k. I plus j plus k, you just write this one. That's enough. This is, we don't have to write. Minus I minus j minus 2k. Okay. So will you all do, or we have to, I have to make you to do? You will do. What's the first step? Resolve the components. So write the components. First step. AXI plus AYJ plus AZK. Vector B. BXI. Actually, we already did. So we can directly go to that last one. BZK. Next, what we do? A dot B. So you can directly go, instead of skipping these steps, you can directly go this, okay? Because we are getting the same component only. So previous thing only we have written elaborately. In this case, we don't have to write this many steps. You can skip. So once you nicely learned this pattern, you can skip these steps. Directly we go to A dot B. That is AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Only the constant is changing. All other things are same. So if you by heart this equation, this is enough for you. Okay, you don't have to write the skips. You can just give, by resolving into components, we got A dot B is equal to so and so. You can start from here. Okay. Now substitute, children. Now you know what is substitution.
-1.
Yeah. -1 plus.
-1.
I am just writing the step because some are biology students are there. So I am just.
Plus 1 into -2.
-1 plus -2.
-4.
-4. Every time you don't get the same method. Okay. Maybe 2 will be there, 3 will be there. That do account. Since in the textbook this problem is given, I am giving you. So -4. What's the next step? Find AB. Correct? So first find out what is A. Square root of AX squared plus AY squared plus AZ. That is already same, I think, no? We will get it √3, I think. Do I have to write? You know, 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 square. Anyone have a doubt why I got 3? Previous problem, what did you do? Take the first vector, I plus j plus k, write that constant, 1 plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1, √3. Similarly, B, -1 square plus -1 square plus -2 square. But you got √6 or what, children? What is B?
√6.
Correct? Everyone is doing. I want to know. What about others are doing? Please do it. Those are offing the video. Simply don't sit and watch. It's problems. And in the coming exam, I will be putting this kind of problems. So please learn it. All got √6. Srihari, Krishna. Ashwin is not there. Second session. Where are they? Anthony, Nia, Srihari, Vidur, Sharon, all are there? Adul, Ashwin is absent. Adim is absent. Hmm? Donna is not there. Morning, Malavika was there. Now who is there? Ah, yeah, she's there. Okay. Can you complete? Don't wait for my answer. Complete now. What's the next step? Root 6. Substitute. Cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by AB minus 4 divided by root 3 into root 6. So you will get split to root 6. Root 3.
Minus 4 by 3 root 2.
Yes. 2 into 3. This 3 you will get minus 4 3 root 2. Root 2. Next, can we make it little more? Little more by splitting minus 4. Can you split minus 4? You can write it. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 4 is minus 1 is minus 2 into 2. You will get the same answer, correct? Divided by 3 root 2. Now, if you want to cancel root 2, what we can do?
Minus 2 root 2
Ah.
by 3.
Minus this root 2. This is for the people who not okay I'm doing. This 2 you can write it into root 2 by 3 root 2. So this 1 root 2 get cancelled. Okay. So minus 2 into root 2 by 3. Shall we may reduce again? Something we can reduce it. Again, in which way? If you cut any non-angle, if you get, you have to look for it. But we will get the answer in 90 degree or something like that, 180 degree. So you have to look. Is there any other method? Otherwise, what we have to do means we have to find the value of root 2, then find out the angle. So without logarithmic table, we can't do it. Okay. That's the condition now.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
so for exam, we can write cos theta equal to and stop.
Yeah. So at present, I may give you value. Otherwise, I'll give the value like that. Root 2 is equal to so and so. Root 3 is equal to like that. I will give set of values. Okay. So you select which value. So now cos theta is this. Therefore, theta is equal to, you can write it as cos inverse minus 2 root 2 by 3. So if you know the value of root 2, you can multiply with it and give me the answer for it. Okay. So at present you do, because I don't have the logarithmic table. If anyone has calculator, can you tell me square root 2 values here? I think 0.7 something.
1.4.
Anyone have calculator? Just do it. Root 2. So we can complete it that. Okay, this minus sign is, it is depending upon in which quadrant. Okay, so that has nothing to do. So you complete it. Shall we go to the next one? So you find the value of root 2 and then do it. Even in the exam, if you write those, I'll be giving the marks. But if I mention to you, in the case of something, if the angle is going to be 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then you should know the values of all this. Cos 30, yes?
1.414.
Okay. So can you just do it, children? 1.14.
414.
414. So we will take it 1.4 divided by 3. Okay, just find out that answer fast. Let negative is there. You just give me that value of 2 into 1.4 divided by 3. But sometimes the question may be answer will be any of this theta sometimes. So you should know the value of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 180 degree. So all this everyone should know. Those who don't know, please study the value of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta of all these values. Okay. So you can make a table 30, 90, 45, 180. So you can write corresponding values of each under that. Then you can have that separate chart or something so that every day you revise it, then all these values will be given because we need to by heart for this physics. So shall we go to the next problem? Now you understood, now you complete it at home. Leave that space. We go to the next one. Otherwise, we won't able to cover up. So next question. Rain is falling vertically. So you complete it. Okay. Rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertically. So with the speed of 30 meter per second. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 30 meter per second. A wind started blowing. A wind started blowing. A wind started blowing. After some time, with the speed of 10 meter per second in the north and south direction. The direction. In which direction? In which direction should a boy standing at a bus stop? Standing at a bus stop, hold his umbrella. So this is actually based on relative velocity in motion in plane or relative velocity in two-dimensional motion. Okay. So here what we do means the direction of the rain and direction of the wind. We consider these two are two directions. Okay. And a boy standing. So our velocity of the rain, this velocity of the rain will be with respect to boy. This 30 meter per second is given velocity of the boy with velocity of the rain with respect to the boy standing on bus stop. So that's the meaning. Okay. A boy who is looking at the rain, at what speed the rain is falling. Similarly, wind velocity. It is also velocity, relative velocity of the wind with respect to boy. So these are the two-dimensional motion. How do we apply the relative velocity? So whatever values is given is relative velocity with respect to a third person. Okay. We have already learned relative velocity of A, bus B. That is only two objects. But here, the two objects, what we shown is actually the relative velocity with respect to the third person. So, these are the two conditions for the third person should hold umbrella at a particular angle. That is our question. Okay. So, did you understand this? So, this is the part of a relative velocity in two dimension. There is no specific equation, but here we are using that equation. Do you remember? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta, or theta is equal to tan inverse of this. Okay. So our one point will be One velocity, another point will be another velocity. So we are not going to derive that, directly you apply. So in the parallelogram of law of vector addition, we have used tan inverse theta, that same. So if you find out this theta tan inverse, that is the angle the boy should hold the umbrella. Okay. So for that, first we have to draw a diagram to represent this. So looking at rain is falling vertically. So we can draw the diagram, rain first. It is falling vertically. So this is the velocity of the rain. It is 30 meter per second is given. And we can consider this direction as north and south. Since it is given, a wind is blowing with a speed of 10 meter per second in the north-south direction. That is from north to south, the wind is flowing. So this is how, by looking at VW stands for wind, VR stands for C. So VR is the relative velocity of the rain with respect to the buoy. VW is the relative velocity of the wind with respect to the buoy. So wind is falling, I mean say the rain is falling like this. Okay. And the wind is blowing north to south direction on x-axis. And we have to find out at what angle. So the resultant vector will be this. So he should hold the umbrella. In this case, if you complete it is as a parallelogram. So we are using parallelogram law of vector addition actually. In that we are learned an equation of angle and theta. The same thing we are using. So if you extend here, this is the resultant vector at which the boy should hold umbrella. Okay. That is the condition. Tan theta. So wind is blowing x direction and the rain is falling y direction. That is how you understand it. So theta will be, tan theta will be x-axis, that's y component and x component. Okay. So tan theta y by x. So here what is y? What is y? If you consider tan theta is sine theta, if you make this is theta, then this will come on here instead of y. If you consider, if you take it, this is combined with this. Even don't think about this y-axis, x-axis, but I am just giving sometimes y by x, sometimes x by y, depending upon the angle. Okay. So if you depend on the angle, if you draw it, this is theta, at which umbrella holding at an angle, no? Always. So wind is blowing, so the boy should hold the umbrella this way. So sin theta going to be here, VW by this, cos theta will be VR by this. Therefore, you can just, if you giving this is getting confused, forget about this. You just follow what is tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. That's enough. That is never changes. So according to that, you take which is come to sin theta, which is come to cos theta. Okay. So we have to write it. Now tan theta is equal to VW by VR. So theta is equal to VW by R. We are taking magnitude. So vector sign is, we are taking magnitude. So wind speed is 10. Rain speed is 30 because it is vertically falling. That's why it is in the denominator. So you will get 1 by 3. So this is why logarithmic table is compulsory. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. I am just giving the values. 18 degree. Approximately 18 degree, 26 minutes comes. Suppose If you write up to here correctly, I will give you the answer. Okay, if you give me up to this, I will give you answer. I will give you the degree values. Maybe 1/3 this much, 1/2, like that's a set of readings I should give. So in that correct one, you should choose. In the exam, I will give like that. Since
Ma'am,
ah,
last question answer was 21 degree.
21 degree. Yes. Is there was some extra point or something was there? Achyut?
Yes, some minutes also.
That is minute. So whatever is that is minute will come. So there is a conversion, degree into minute and all. Actually, 18.3, if you get, this is degree. So 0.3 degree, we need to convert into minute. So there is a relation that I'll teach you later because that is in degree level only conversion. So you in CBSE, they usually give the values. Or logarithmic table will be given to you. Clark's table. In that, inverse tan theta is given. So in that, you will get the degrees. Okay? Okay, children? So I have sent 5 to 6 questions in the WhatsApp. So I will be sending today also, which is not given. I will be sending some problems. I think in that also I have mentioned some problem like that. And using maximum height and the horizontal range. Okay. So again, 5 to 6 problem today I will send. So that also copy and study because we cannot do the problem, every problem in the class. So that's why. Okay. Shall we wind up? Okay. So learn that same problem what I given and what we have done in the class. So in the exam, I will follow the same pattern of questions. So you will not have much difficult in solving. Okay. Thank you.